For working out missing angles, the same way we derived sine rule for missing side, it's the same thing. The only thing is that we do the inverse of what we had before. For a side, we had a over sine a in that order, but for angles, we quote it rather sine a over small a sine b over small b in that order. So just take note. The inverse of what we had for the side is what we use for angles. When do we use sine rule for missing angles? We use sine rule when you have two sides and an included angle are given. You can find missing angles using sine rule. When you have two sides and an included angle, you can use sine rule to find missing angles. What do you mean by non-included? An-included angle means that the angle shouldn't be between the two known sides. For example, in this triangle, I have 9 cm as this length and 6 cm, and I have angle 50, which is not between these two known sides. So this is what we call non-included angle. When it's between the side, it's called included angle. So it's technology for you to remember. So two sides and an included angle, you can use sine rule to find missing angles. As usual, you need only two of the ratios to set up your working out, and the labeling is very important. Despite the labeling, label the missing angle big letter A and the opposite corresponding side small a. Another known angle capital B, and the side opposite the known angle small b. So let's look, and in using sine rule for angles, we are going to use the inverse of sine. We are going to use the inverse of sine. So this is the symbol, sine -1. So don't forget, angles, we use the inverse of the sine.